walks with me as upward to glory I go. And daily I sing to him, and fondly I cling to him, because I am loving him so. With mercy enfolding me and power upholding me, I never complain or repine. No matter what may betide, assurance will still abide. His love and his glory are mine.
His love forever
Ever is mine.
and with his
Glory I shine,
and so his
goodness I tell, praises I swell. Homeward I go,
rejoicing
happy to know
his loving
glory forever is mine, ever mine. Wherein that the storyland beginneth, the glory land, wherever with him I shall be. Through Jesus, all glorious, forever victorious, the life crown is coming to me. So daily I walk with him, and sweetly I talk with him, my blessed Redeemer divine. And ever my song shall be his wonderful love for me. His love and his glory are mine.
His love forever
Ever is mine.
and with his
Glory I shine,
and so his
goodness I tell,
happy
praises I